All right, so let's talk about Instagram revenue streams. Okay, so one of the biggest revenue streams, obviously, is through sponsors, right? So if you are, um, if you're an influencer, you have a lot of followers, okay, people will pay you, all right, and sponsor kind of your posts, right? So this is where you can make a post and you can say, hey, you know, check out this awesome new, water, or check out this awesome new fitness product. And you get paid just for making that post or running that story. Okay. These are really good opportunities. Um, and there's a lot of them. There are so many people that, to be honest with you, use Instagram to grow their businesses, that there's no shortage of sponsors in almost every niche you can think of, right? So this is one way where you can monetize Instagram, right? Through sponsors. The second thing is through loops. Now, what a loop is, and we call this giveaways, okay? If you've got a really big page, right? You have a lot of fans, a lot of followers, then you can run what we call a giveaway, right? And essentially, it works a little something like this, okay? So this is your page. This is your page here. And you have a lot of followers, right? So say, 1 million followers, okay? And you can make a post, okay? So you can make a post here, okay, for the giveaway. Now, what you do is you make sure you only follow like 10 people, okay? You make a post that's like giving away, whatever it might be. Maybe it's a Gucci, a Gucci bag, right? And these 10 people right here that you're following, they pay you to sponsor the giveaway. Okay? So they pay you to sponsor the giveaway. So now what happens? Why would they do that? Because in your post over here, okay, so in this post where you're giving away this Gucci bag, you tell people to qualify, you must follow everyone you're following. So think about it, okay? Essentially, you make a post, you're giving away a really nice thing. It doesn't have to be a Gucci bag. It can be whatever it is that you want it to be, right? But the only way that somebody can win that is if they follow everybody that you're following. And all the people that you're following are the ones that paid to sponsor this giveaway. You see this happening all the time. In fact, the Kardashians do this quite frequently. And it's rumored that a couple of years ago they made over $1 million off of one of these loops, right? So while you're not the Kardashians and you're probably not going to make that kind of money with it, it is a great way to generate revenue and also generate additional followers, okay? Another thing is obviously your link in your bio, okay? So the link in your bio is another way and another form of revenue that you can generate. This is something that pretty much everybody, monetizes, and it's something that everybody understands. Everybody knows where it is. Everybody sees it. So this is a great opportunity for you to generate revenue. Now, what if you're not a sponsor, or what if you're not getting a lot of sponsors? You can use affiliate links. So affiliate links can be used to generate revenue. So you don't necessarily have to have sponsors. You don't have to have people that are lined up to try to pay you, just for you to make a post. You can make posts and get paid on the results, right? And that's what affiliate links are. Basically, an affiliate link is a link to promote somebody else's product, okay? And essentially what happens is you generate revenue every time somebody clicks your link and buys that product. So affiliate marketing is a great way to generate revenue. And in fact, we've seen affiliate marketing generate more revenue really than a lot of these sponsorships, right? Shout outs and stuff like that. So sponsors would be like, for shout outs, shout outs and even stories and posts, right? That's kind of what they want. With this would be, again, not somebody that's paying you to put their information there, but somebody that's paying you every time you generate a sale. And you start looking at your Instagram account as really being a way to generate quick amounts of traffic, right? And that's very beneficial. These are the three, and of course, it's not just that, it also could be physical. But products. So that's important too, physical products. So if you have a Shopify store or something like that, you can go in and you can use the Instagram account to find people that are interested in what it is you're selling and then drive them right over to your Shopify store so that they can buy it. So these are three highly used revenue streams: sponsorships like shout outs and stories, loops, which again are nothing but giveaways, but they allow you to get sponsors, so people will pay you to basically sponsor this thing, and you make money and you generate more followers when you do these loops because they go viral, right? Because everybody's trying to win this particular thing. So to qualify, obviously you have to follow everybody, but then you also have to like and share, right? So you have to like and share this thing, and what that does, and usually tag people, right? And what this does is it helps it go viral. So it helps more and more people know about this giveaway, and that's how you get more followers, generate more revenue. And then of course the link in your bio, and again, it can be affiliate links, it can be Shopify store links, Amazon store links. It does not have to be a sponsorship link that someone has given you. These are the three main revenue streams from Instagram. We are going to go over in a future module how to generate revenue in your direct messages. So make sure that you don't miss that module. Take all the notes that you can on this, and then you can move on to the next lesson.